Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
Sleep for well last night and I am.
Go! Go! Green light! No, you got a blinker on. Okay, I don't know that. Great. Asshole.
What did he say?
Somebody behind me.
Still sitting there.
Yeah.
Something wrong with his car?
Yeah.
Turn left on Daly Avenue, then turn left on Escambia. Use the right two lanes to turn slightly right onto the I-280 North ramp. In 1,000 feet, merge onto I-280 North.
But more and more, you are right, there are visionary scientists out there, and the role of the observer in quantum theory, that the observer effect can actually impact
I go
energy,
first.
And change things.
The heck is wrong with you? 239 BPRT.
Video locked.
Not because I just be carrying my little pouch, and then hey, this is right here. She's still going.
Man of integrity, it's probably no coincidence that God put this in front of you right now.
Oh shit.
Watch out for this fucking guy, dude. What in the good God's
such a huge gap between what the company's earning and what the market valuation is. This second type of bubble, the earnings bubble, is way, way harder to spot, especially in real time.
Yeah, and that ties back to what you said when we started looking at the state of the stock market, right? So we're looking at forward PE and regular PE, right?
What are you doing?
Yeah, I mean... Hey, even on a red light. Wow, look at him go. Jesus.
Man.
He'll be alright.
Oh, I'm sure he will. Patrick's gonna send me pictures, but I'm just like... Oh, shit!
What's the matter?
I just saw a car hit a person walking across the crosswalk.
Do you need to pull over?
No, but damn, like she...
Did you see that?
Yep.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.